Humans are heating up the earth faster than ever before, and 2025 year might be the living proof of it. So we are going to talk about it in great detail. Come read with me. So humans are heating up the earth faster than ever before, and a new climate study has found that human activities contributed more to global warming in 2025 than any time in the recorded history, reminding the world that climate change is not a future problem, it is happening right now. And the earth's climate has always changed naturally over periods. However, since the industrial revolution, humans have been burning huge amounts of coal, oil and natural gas, and releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Now, these gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect and causing the planet to warm. Now, according to the IGCC Indicators of Global Climate Change, a study 2025 was among the warmest years ever recorded, and the human contribution to that warming was likely the highest ever observed. Now, what does the study say? See, human activities are the main reason behind rising global temperatures. Greenhouse gas emissions continue to increase. The pace of warming is accelerating, and climate change is becoming more visible through heat waves, floods, droughts, melting glaciers, and extreme weather events. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this topic. The first dimension is the environmental dimension. Rising temperatures, melting polar ice and glaciers, sea levels rise, threatening coastal areas, loss of biodiversity and ecosystems. Then there is an economic dimension like crop losses due to droughts and floods, damage to infrastructure, increased spending on disaster relief and adaptation. Then there is a social dimension as well: climate-induced migration, water scarcity and food insecurity, greater impact on poor and vulnerable communities. Then there is an international dimension like need for global cooperation through climate agreements, debate over climate finance and responsibility between developed and developing countries. Now let us talk about the 35% by 2035. At an ongoing climate meeting in Germany, countries have proposed that electricity should account for at least 35% of final global energy consumption by 2035, up from around 20% today. So why is this? More electricity can come from renewable sources like solar and wind. It helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels. It supports the transition to cleaner energy systems. Now, let us talk about the India's relevance. India is highly vulnerable to heat waves, irregular monsoons, floods, and glacial meltings in the Himalayas. At the same time, India is investing heavily in solar energy, greener hydrogen, electric vehicles, climate resilient infrastructures. And that is why this topic becomes highly relevant for GS paper 3, climate change, environment and ecology, disaster management, renewable energy transition, and GS paper 2, international climate negotiations, global environmental governance. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.